Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we talked about some first signs, bullish signs on intraday charts, and we said that if you're ready to take this risk right now at the early stage, you could try to take the position, because there were some really bullish patterns. So if you remember on the follow time frame chart, we've got the bullish grabber on hourly chart, or some kind of the 3-5 pattern. So theoretically, it was ability to take the long position. So if you have done this, that's great. So currently you could move stops to the break even, see what will happen. Those who have decided to wait a bit for more clarity, don't upset with that, don't regret, everything actually stands fine. So we've got this upward action, and today we will consider what we could do for possibly taking the position. In fact, this reaction is mostly based on the recent dynamic of the 10-year and in general United States yields. So if you take a look what has happened in recent 2 sessions on the bond market, it was sharp reversal and strong collapse. So this grabber even wasn't able to reach the target. It already has been erased by the closing price of this previous session, which means that we are going with these patterns that are still valid, and they are aiming on the taking out of these lows. It means that with some perspective, theoretically yield should become even lower. Who knows, maybe it will be the result of the payrolls that we're coming to. It's also possible, and in general you could easily imagine here, recognize very nicely looking butterfly pattern, right, on the 10-year bonds. So if it will be indeed the butterfly, the destination point for the yields will be 355, 357. So it's really significant drop. Right now we have the levels at 377. So this is big move for the 10-year bonds. With the duration of the 10-year bond approximately 6-7, it means that dynamic in price will be you should multiply the duration on the change in the yield, so it will be approximately for the 2% of the nominal change in 10-year bonds. This is really big move. So and that put the potential, this pattern puts the potential actually for performance on other markets as well. But currently the only problem that we not sure that will be definitely smooth and gradual to the downside. Here's might be some fluctuations and so on. Whatever it will be, this is great background. And on euro currency, on the Great British Pound, we have approximately the same patterns. So on the follow time frame chart, that's the grabber. Market right now stands at the resistance. So it hits the first level 1093, fib level on this top to the bottom. 30% target of the bread butter, minimum target, stands at 1134. This will be next destination point. So if we take the position somewhere on the retracement, then approximately 60-80 pips of this potential we should get. So this is not bad for intraday trade. Currently, after this action on hourly chart, you also could see that all divergences have been completed. 3-drive pattern also has been completed because market has moved above the top between second and third drive. Now market is forming some kind of independent pattern, and I suppose that we could keep an eye on the two support levels. 1060, this is 50% support on the market, the favorite level for the euro currency. Next one is 1052, so difference very small, so that's why I just put it in the same place. I'm not sure that we could speak directly about some kind of the hand and shoulders shape here, but if you feel comfortable, you could treat it as a hand shoulders. By the way, on the Great British Pound, it looks much better looking like the hand shoulders rather than on the euro currency. So you can see once this ABCD pattern has been mostly completed, we have this performance, and it's more reminds more of the hand shoulders rather than the euro, but in general, as you can see, very similar. So that and towards what we have, so we have the signs, we have the thrusting acceleration, breaking the channel, patterns, bullish patterns are working. And now we just need to consider some retracement to this level to make the decision on possible long entry if you would like to. That's actually what we have. Let's see what will happen.